How to delete cache on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete cache on Trust Wallet. In order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that you've already updated your application. After that, open up or log in into your Trust Wallet account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. And once you're on this page, right at the bottom, you'll be able to see multiple tools. From the list, you need to click on the gear icon. And once you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page, and underneath you'll be able to see multiple options. From the list, you need to click on preferences, and under it, once again, there will be multiple options. So click on the app browser. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to the browsing page, and right over here you'll need to click on clear browser cache. If you're sure about it, click on the OK button. With this, you've successfully cleared your cache. And apart from this, what else you can do is you can simply clear cache and storage of your Trust Wallet from your device. For that, long press on your Trust Wallet application, click on the app info icon. Now you'll be directed to the app info page. Under it, scroll down, click on storage and cache. Right over here, click on clear storage as well as clear data. Keeping this in mind that clearing your storage will actually log you out of your account, so make sure that you already know your login credential. In this way, you can clear cache of Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.